Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, how are you today? This time, I will explain the material, logic, and set. But before that, I will introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hermawansyah from the University of Tangerang Rai. Let's me start discussion right away. The first discussion is logic. What is logic? Mathematical logic is logic that use the language of mathematics that by using symbols. Next discuss is symbol in logic. What's the first? For all, or we can say for every. The next, we can say there exists or for some. The next, such that. The next, the negation of A, or we can say not A. The next, the conjunction of A and B, or A and B. The next, the disjunction of A and B, or A or B. The next, if P, that Q or P implies Q. The next, P is a sufficient condition for Q, or we can say Q is a necessary condition for P. The next, A if and only if B, or we can say A is equivalent of A is equivalent to B. The next discuss is practice. Read out the following sentence. The first, we can say if S, then the conjunction of H and U. The next, we can say the conjunction of S implies H and U. The next, we can say if the conjunction of N or G and N, then G implies N. The next, the conjunction of P implies Q and Q implies R if and only if P implies R. The next, we can say for every X, if AX, then MX. The last, we can say for some X, not CX or DX. The next discussion is about sets. What is set? Set is collection of objects which have some or equal characteristic. The objects in a set are called element of member of the set. We can say T is an element of A, or we can say T is a member of A. T belongs to A. Next, we can say U is not an element of A. We can say U is not a member of A, and U does not belong to A. Special kind of set. Empty set is a set which no number. The second power set of set S is collection of all subsets of the set S. Cardinality of sets. The number of distinct objects in a set is called the cardinality of the set. The cardinality of empty set is 0. If a set has finite member, we call the set finite set. Otherwise, we call the set infinite set. The next discuss is comparing two sets. The first, we can say A is equal to B. The second is we can say A is subset of B, or we can say as A is contained in B. The next, we can say A is subset of or equal to B. The next, we can say A is superset of B. The last, we can say the union of A and B. And next, set operation. The first, we can say the union of A and B, or we can say A cup or join B. Next, we can say the intersection of A and B, or we can say A cap or mid B. The next, the difference between A and B, or A minus B. The last, A, the Cartesian product of A and B, or A cross B. The next, discuss how do we say this mathematical term. The first, we can say A minus the intersection of B and C is equal to union of A minus B and A minus C. The next, we can say A is superset of the intersection of B minus C and E. The next, A is equal to the difference between A and A. The next, we can say A is equal to the union of A minus B and A mid B. The last, we can say the intersection of D minus E and D mid E is equal to empty set. That's my discussion regarding the logic and set material. I apologize if there are any mistakes in my words, and thank you for watching. See you.